Welcome to FleetProxy. Today, we're setting up FleetProxy inside MostLogin for a smooth and secure multi-account experience. MostLogin is 100% free to download, and you'll find the download link in the description. By using this link, you'll also receive a cloud mobile service trial that can last up to 10 hours. Start by clicking Create Profile in MostLogin, selecting your folder, and giving the profile a clear name. You can customize browser fingerprints, cookies, and login data for each profile, keeping every account completely isolated. Now let's move to the FleetProxy dashboard. Choose the plan that fits your needs, whether residential or mobile. From here, adjust your settings. Select your country filter, choose your session type, rotating or sticky, and pick the number of proxies you need. Select your proxy format, usually host, port, user, pass, then click Copy. Go back to your MostLogin profile, open the proxy section, and set the protocol to HTTP. Paste your proxy line. It will automatically fill all the fields for you. Click Check Proxy Server IP to make sure the connection is stable. Then click Confirm. Finally, start your profile session, and you're ready to go. Thanks for watching.